Here's how to fix keyboard not working on HP laptop. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section and find your keyboard in the list. It will most likely have PS/2 in its name. Right-click on the keyboard and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and click Next. After that, check your keyboard to see if it's working again. If the problem continues, right-click on the keyboard in Device Manager and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm, then restart your HP laptop. Once your laptop starts back up, check if the keyboard is working. If it's still not responding, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Windows Update and click Check for updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. Next, select Advanced Options and click on Optional Updates. Expand the available update categories and select any outdated drivers or software. Then, click Download and Install. If you've tried all of these solutions and the keyboard still isn't working, you can try performing a soft reset. First, completely shut down your HP laptop. Once it's powered off, disconnect everything connected to it, including the charging cable and any USB devices. After disconnecting everything, press and hold the power button for around 60 seconds. Keep holding it even if the screen remains black. After 60 seconds, release the power button and turn your laptop back on. Once Windows starts, check your keyboard again. This should help resolve the keyboard issue on your HP laptop. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.